That is fucking superb. Did you check the view out? I'm into that. Gotta get rid of his surfers, man. Fucking hell. Woo. Heart foundation. That's fucking spot on, man. I'm lost for words. I know, it's pretty smart. It's better than being pissed. Oh, fucking hell. That was quality. Yeah, quality. Oh, come on, send us up again. I'm fucking sweating like a cunt. Don't go on it! Don't go on it! Don't get there, man! Nice! Shit yourself!